Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Stick Moribo. Welcome to Global Sound as part of Clayton Festival 2021. Monash City Council acknowledges the traditional owners of the land we're standing on, now known as Monash, and pays respect to the elders, past, present, and emerging. All our artists are world class and come from all over the world: Africa, Sri Lanka, Torres Strait Island, and here in Melbourne, Australia. As this is an online event, we invite you to connect virtually in 2021 with your family and friends. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, I'd like you to enjoy Global Sounds as part of Clayton Festival 2021 online. Please enjoy.
a rhythm. We know we're hungry, so we better feed them. Skip that and give me some ha. Pick up your clapping hands and pay attention. From the Middle East to the open nations, we coming straight through your inner complication. Yalla, yalla, come on, give me some ha. Here we go, go, you better listen. The Seduceaphones are riding on a rhythm. We know we're hungry, so we better feed them. Skip that and give me some ha. Pick up your clapping hands and pay attention. From the Middle East to the upper nations, we coming straight through your inner complication. Yalla, yalla, come on, give me some ha. Give me some.
You've just heard Seduceaphone. And I know I've got Arya with me. Arya, could you please tell us, how did that name come about?
Well, the Seduceaphones, we've been around for a little while, actually, though we've been through a lot of iterations. We sort of started up in Bendigo and Castlemaine, and the name sort of came about when we did our first ever show. We rented out an old church hall called the Old Church on the Hill and just brought all our friends along, and it was just the most amazing thing that you could, like, it got sweaty, it got hot, it got raucous. They were throwing couches all over the place. It was just an amazing show. And after that gig, we decided on the name the Seduceaphones because we felt a little bit sort of, you know, maybe a little bit sexy or something.
So welcome once again to Global Sounds. Now that we're talking global, could you tell me what countries make up the musicians in your band?
Well, it's a bit of a mix. I'm actually half Indonesian, so I mean, draw the line between Indonesia and the Balkans. It's a pretty long one, but I just fell in love with the Balkan music years ago when I first saw a band called Opa play. We have one guy from the Balkans, Stefan, who's from Macedonia, from a little village called Resen, which I've been and visited, and the musicians in that village and in all the villages in sort of that southwest corner of Macedonia are amazing. We also have, you know, a bunch of Australians, one guy, German guy called Chichko Roshko, and that's about it, I think.
And when the band plays, where do you play out? Like, you know, if I was walking in and hearing your band playing, I'd say it's bluegrass jazz. What do you qualify your music?
Well, we sort of like call it Balkan gypsy fusion, I suppose, or like sort of Balkan gypsy trash, because it's got like we've sort of changed up the traditional sound by adding a drum kit and a bass. And if you wanted to check us out, like we love to play at the Nightcat. Like we've got a single launch coming up in a couple of months there. We used to play a lot around when we were a smaller band. We used to play around, you know, like Open Studio and Bar Open, which are all like really important parts of our history. But we're sort of heading for the bigger stages now. You know, we could play traditional trubači music from, you know, Serbia and Macedonia, but we want to play those melodies that we love, but we want to play them with a different aesthetic. So that's it, yeah.
Ari, great performance, man. I wish I had an award to give you, because it's not an award ceremony, but you played well tonight. And
thank you.
Yeah, hope to see your band again sometime soon.
Yeah, definitely. And thanks for having us come play. It's been wonderful. Yeah.
Cheers.
Yeah, thank you.